Hey you guys, Courtney here. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to me. Thank you for being here. I know you didn't have to click on my channel, but thank you for doing so. If you haven't been with me before, then I appreciate if you give me a thumbs up, tap on that subscribe, and hit the ring bell, and I will support you back. I always will. Always, always. If this is not your first time with me, then hey you guys, what's up? So today is, well, I'll explain it better after this clip, but today is basically a very beautiful look. I did a cut crease. Yes, I did. And I don't know why I decided to do a cut crease, but I just did. So you're going to have to see the next clip. You know the drill. If you want to see how I got this look on my face, what I used, how I got here, and basically, yeah, you know the drill. Keep on watching. I'll be right back. Guys, so alright, I have to admit this to you guys because you know I'm always honest with you guys. I really am. I'm always honest with you guys about everything. It's the next day. It's the next day, and I do have to go to work tonight. Yesterday I went to go film part 2 of my Juvia's place. I was going to do the swatches and everything, and then do the eye look. Well, I did do an eye look. I did. And I realized that there is a lot of fallout in the shimmer. The shimmers in both of the palettes, really. So, and when that happens, I normally like to do my eyes first and then my makeup, so then I can just go through with a wipe, because I don't like putting a lot of powder on underneath my eyes to brush it away. So that's just my method. That's the way I like to do it. So basically I ran out of time yesterday, because by the time I got all my makeup taken off and went to go do my eyes again, it was getting really late, and I was like, you know what, I'll just tackle this tomorrow because I do have to go to work. So today I'm going to do an eye look with one of the Juvia's Place palettes, but I can't do 2 separate eyes because I do have to go to work. So, but I am going to definitely use the blush palette. The highlighter, beautiful. If I know that about a palette, I'll go ahead and do my eyes first. That's what I plan on doing today. So I'm going to go ahead and do a speed through eye look with one of the palettes. I haven't decided which one yet. I'm still thinking about it. Then I'm going to go ahead and give this Festival palette another try. I do like the colors in this Festival palette, and I wanted to do something a little bit more unexpected than, you know, like something that is normally not a look that I go for. Yeah, and I just love the white in this palette, and so I definitely want to do something with the white. And then I love the red, I love the pink, and I don't know, I want to do something different. I want to do something more like fall, on the fall side of things. So I'm going to go ahead and put this in a fast forward for you guys. Watch it. I'll show you what I'm using and when I'm using it, how I'm using it, as always. And yeah, we're gonna go ahead and go for the eyes first. So this is my part 2 of Juvia's Place. I'm using the Festival eyeshadow palette, and I am excited about it. So here we go. guys, so I pulled off this beautiful cut crease. I think it's gorgeous. I used the gold color in there. I did this side a little bit different because I realized where I made my mistake, because I've never used any kind of glitter glue before to do a cut crease, and honestly I like it. I think it's easier. I thought it was going to be a disaster, but it really wasn't. It was actually easier. So now I am going to go ahead and continue and finish the rest of my makeup, and I'll be back with you guys to show you guys this beautiful blush palette, and we're going to finish up the look and get this video done. Okay, you guys, so this is my finished look. I think it turned out really pretty. I did. There's some mistakes that I made that I'm not real happy about, and to be honest with you, that happens, especially when you're doing something that you're not used to doing or you're trying something new. It's gonna happen. So what I can say is that this palette, beautiful. I love it. I love it. I think it's gorgeous. Y'all saw when I went to go put the blush on, I used this color first and I did it real lightly, but when I went in for this one, it was like bam. Like there was nothing. I was like, okay, I'm just gonna have to fix it. And I do that by actually taking like a pretty firm brush and I put a little bit of setting powder and I just kind of fluff that up, and I probably cut that because it takes a long time for me to get it fixed. But I did my brows and I got my eyeliner on. I did put a little bit of gold from the palette in the corner, the inner corner. If you can see there, it kind of lightened up the inner corner. But this highlighter is amazing. I'm gonna work with this palette a little bit. I don't know why I decided to do a cut crease, y'all. I don't know. I decided to do a cut crease like with glitter glue, something that I've never done before when I know I have to go to work. So I don't know why I did that. But it did work. It's just I need some more practice with that glitter glue because I've never used glitter glue. So, but I do love the colors on my eyes. I think that this white is beautiful. I love the white. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And like I said, I don't know why I decide to try new things when I know I have to work. But hey, if you don't try new things, guess what? You'll never learn anything new. So, But as far as this palette, the highlighter, and the look goes, I'm happy with it. There's just little things that I'm not happy about with it. So I use Roller Lash Mascara, of course. I don't wear lashes to work. And thank you so much for watching the video. If you like the video, if you like the look, give me a thumbs up. I'm sorry that I couldn't get it done yesterday, but y'all know I always come through for y'all later on. So maybe a day later, but it's there. I'm there. So give me a thumbs up, tap on the subscribe, hit the ring bell. I really appreciate it, and I will support you back. The 2018 holiday giveaway with me and Shannon Moody. Make sure you subscribe and go to my channel. Go and look for the 2018 holiday giveaway video. It gives all the information in there if you guys want to enter a first and a second place. So there's 2 winners. So that ends on the 19th. So hurry up and get entered for that. And other than that, I will see you guys on my next video. I love you all, but I will not argue with you. Y'all have a wonderful evening, day, night, whichever you're watching me, and I will see you guys on my next one. Bye.